Welcome to day 4 to our Detox Naturally series. Tonight we're talking about one of the most important things that you can do to help your body detox. We are talking about sleep. Sleep is so important to your body's detox process. We should have 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. I'm curious how many people get that, and I'm curious how many people watching this are good sleepers or bad sleepers. I feel like I'm somewhere in between. The key is to set a routine, a ritual of your nighttime routine. This should be turning off your electronics an hour before bedtime. This should be dimming the lights to help your circadian rhythm adjust. This could be making your bedroom cold for the sleeping. This is very important. You could, and this is something I do quite often, pick a nighttime tea that you love. This is one of my favorites. This has lemon balm and valerian root, and this one has lavender and chamomile. If you want a cold drink, I love this red tart cherry juice. There are so many studies that this is so effective to encourage a deep sleep. I also love my golden milk. I will do that at night. If you need the recipe to that, I posted that last week. Just let me know, say recipe below, and I'm happy to message that to you. But it's very important to come up with a nighttime routine. Make it a habit. This will just encourage a restful, deep sleep. This will encourage you get into that REM cycle. So many things happen during the night. It's your body's way of resetting. It's working on your brain, your liver, your kidneys, everything. And it's resetting all those organs and starting a new day the right way. So I'm so thrilled that you're joining my detox series. If you have enjoyed this, please give me a like. This helps my algorithm with Facebook. And if you know someone that would enjoy this group, please invite them. We'd love to have them. I'm always posting a series every other week, and I'm just overjoyed with the amount of people that get benefit from this. So let me know what you think. I'm curious, are you a good sleeper or bad sleeper? Let me know in the comments, and I hope you'll join me tomorrow. This one is about overcoming the chaos. This has to do with anxiety and stress. So I hope you'll join me for that. That will happen tomorrow, and I hope you sleep well. Good night.